Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities Morning Podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing regarding Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the key levels for the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors in focus for the day and the next few trading session. First up, coming to the update regarding our markets. So during the month of June, the benchmark index Nifty has witnessed high volatility as it is trading in a nearly 2,900 point range. This was the highest since March 2020. Despite high volatility, if we see, the index has witnessed a strong upside rally of over 13% from the election day's low, that is the levels of 21,281. Since then, it has proceeded to mark a fresh all-time high and sustained above the psychological level of 24,000. Impressively, the journey from 23,000 to 24,000 has been the second fastest rally ever, with the index climbing the 1,000 points in just 23 trading sessions. It has ended the week above the 24,000 mark with a gain of over 2%. In the last 5 trading sessions, the major contribution was seen from the index heavyweight stocks like Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, ICICI, Bharti Airtel, Ultratech Cement. Technically, if we see, all the moving averages and momentum based indicators are suggesting strong bullish momentum in the index. However, we recommend to adopt a cautious stance for the next couple of trading sessions as index is likely to slide into a period of consolidation after a sharp upside rally. The broader markets may throw a surprise party as they are on the verge of a bullish flag pattern breakout. Hence, we recommend to look for stock specific opportunities in the next couple of trading sessions. Coming to the levels for the index, so going ahead, the zone of 23,750, 23,700 is likely to act as the immediate support for the index. As long as the index is trading about 23,700, it is likely to continue its northward journey and test the levels of 24,300 followed by 24,700 in the short term. While on the downside, any sustainable move below the levels of 23,700 will lead to profit booking in the index. In that case, it is likely to test the levels of 23,400 which will act as the next crucial support for the index. Coming to the update regarding Bank Nifty, so during the month of June, Bank Nifty also witnessed high volatility as it has traded in a range of 7,100 points, which was the highest since March 2020. Despite of the high volatility, the index has strongly outperformed the frontline indices and ended the month above the 52,000 mark with a gain of over 7%. On the monthly scale, if we see, it has formed a bullish candle with long lower shadow, which is a bullish sign. Currently, 90% stocks from private bank space are trading above their 20, 50 and 100-day SMA levels. This indicates bullish sentiment in private banking space. Considering the current chart structure, the index is likely to outperform frontline indices and test the levels of 53,200 followed by 53,600 in the short term. While on the downside, if we see, the zone of 52,000, 51,900 is likely to provide cushion in case of any immediate decline. Now coming to India VIX, for the second consecutive week, the volatility index India VIX has ended on a positive note. It has ended the week at 13.8 level with a gain of nearly 5% from the low of 11.63. It has surged by nearly 19% in just 8 trading sessions. However, since the last 5 trading sessions, it is oscillating near its 200 EMA level and currently it is trading below its short and long term moving averages. The daily RSI is in a sideways zone. Going ahead, the zone of 14.50, 14.6 will act as the immediate hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the levels of 14.6 will lead to an extension of the pullback rally up to the levels of 16 in the short term, while on the downside, any sustainable move below the levels of 12.50 will lead to resume its southward journey. Sectors to watch out for. On Friday, we saw that Nifty Oil and Gas has given a consolidation breakout on the daily scale. It is likely to continue its northward journey and test the levels of 12,500 in the short term. If we see, Nifty IT has given a horizontal trendline breakout on the daily scale. Going ahead, it is likely to test the levels of 36,800 followed by 37,200 in the short term, while on the downside the zone of 35,700 35,600 is likely to provide cushion in case of any immediate decline. Nifty Pharma, if we see, has given a consolidation breakout as well on June 7th, 2024, and thereafter witnessed an upside rally. However, after registering the high of 19,928, it has witnessed a minor throwback. During the period of the throwback, the index has retraced its breakout level and resumed its northward journey. We believe it is likely to test the levels of 19,900 followed by 20,200 in the short term. Apart from this, Nifty Bank, Nifty Private Bank, Nifty Auto is likely to continue their outperformance in the next couple of trading sessions. That's a wrap of today's podcast. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.